Oh, yini u-Ayanda the fashionista, the DJ, lost umuntu wakhe. Rest in peace, my love. My heart is shattered knowing you are no longer here, but I'm so grateful for the time we shared. You were my best friend, my safe space, and the love of my life. I carry your smile, your laughter, and your love with me forever. No matter where life takes me, a part of me will always belong to you until we meet again, my love. Watch over me and rest peacefully. Yo, guys, and I was like, oh, okay, why? Like, have you think about something about, okay, why are you then now posting yourself in a filter, crying on social media about this guy? I was like, okay, let me just go to popcorn room okanye umaphephandaba. Got to umaphephandaba, and I was like, who is this guy? Because as much as I don't really know them, but then who is this guy? I never see him. So I went to umaphephandaba, guys, and boom, people are already asking, ude ukhale social media for a married man? What? And then people were asking, because now my thing was, who is this guy? I want to know. And the other one was like, hi man, do you remember the heist and the people who died in the heist? Omya was like, no, that's not those. Actually, the man is Gumede from KZN. You go to man and I say KZN. Hey, likutwa the chatted. Oh, love of her life, yo. CP, where are we? So okay, Sada, what do you guys think about this? Do you believe abantu bakaphephandaba ukuba, because kuthiwa khandiye ku-newsroom, guys, but ke kuthiwa ku-newsroom uxeliwe bangugumede wase-KZN, and ke asazi ukuthi usweleke nali gutsu asazi ukuthi usweleke njani, but ke may his soul rest in peace, guys. No one deserves to die. Everyone kumele aphile, support umndeni wakhe, family, whoever they love, their loved ones. And yeah, I hope no Amanda zinhle axole, guys. And I don't want to believe that umfana uchatile. I wish umfana akachatanga, because if uchatile, what are you doing, sisi? What are you doing with indoda yomuntu ubuyiposta? Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. Love you loads, Kasada.